Hey everyone, in this session we are going to talk about the new look of workspaces in Power BI services. So now let's get started. So Microsoft recently introduced this new feature. So to utilize this new feature, first of all we need to turn on the new look for our tenant. So let me just turn on my new look for the Power BI service. So just click on this toggle button. It will turn on the new look for your Power BI tenant. So once you turn on this feature, you can see that this is your workspace and you can see the entire new layout for your workspaces. Earlier you were having this type of classic layout for your workspace. This is the new look introduced for the workspace. So now let me explain you what are the new features that has been added over here into this new workspace. So let's get started. So first option that has been added here is the new icon. So as you hover over it, it is showing that open existing files or create new reports, dashboard, dataset and flow. From here you can create the report, dashboard, dataset, data flow, streaming dataset, or you can upload a file from here. Right now second change has been for the view option. So here now you will have the list view and lineage view. So once you click on this lineage view, it will show you the information about your data sets, data flows, reports and dashboard. So this is my data set and two reports are associated with it, so it is showing me in this form of lineage view. Alright, now if you want to go back to the list view, just click on the list option from here. Right now the third option that is introduced is the filter option. Now using this filter option you can easily filter in between your dashboard, reports and data sets. Also you can filter by owner and you can also filter by whether your report or dashboard has been included in an app or not. So this is really amazing feature. You can also clear the filter using this option. So you can see that I selected dashboard from here, so it filtered my workspace based on the dashboard type. Alright, so this is the filter functionality. Now the fourth thing that is introduced here, the search was already there in the older workspace as well. So search was appear over here in the older look. Now here we have the search all the content for this particular workspace. So let's say for an example, if I'm searching about the cancer, so it is showing me all the information associated with my cancer report. So it is showing me its data set, report, dashboard, etc. Now let me talk about this list view as well as the tabs for this new look of Power BI workspace. So first of all let me show you the older look. So in the older look we have a layout like this. So whenever user will click on this click on any of the workspace, it will be default redirected to the dashboards option. So sometime it was confusing for the user who are new. Here is the new tab order. In the new tab order, first there is all option, means it is showing all the content like dashboard, reports, workbooks, paginated reports, dataset, data flows within this workspace. So all the information is available with this all tab. Now if I'm clicking on this content, now what it will show? It is showing all the content created for the consumption like reports, dashboards, workbooks and paginated reports. So here data slat and data flows will not be appear. Rest of the information will be appear, which is dashboard, which are dashboard, reports, workbooks and paginated reports. Right now the last thing, data set and data flow. It is showing all the data sets and data flows within the workspace for easy data management. Now make sure here one thing. Now note down one thing over here. This data sets and data flow option is not showing, is not visible for the user who has the read only permission on the workspace. So let me explain you this term in an easy manner. So let's say for an example, if you have added any user to your workspace and given the viewer permission, one will not be able to view these data sets and data flow option from the workspace. So user will not be able to view this tab over here. Let me go back over the all action. So here you can see that Few more metadata has been added over here, like name, type, owner, refreshed, endorsement, or including app. Now one more thing has been introduced here, that is quick action when we hover over any of the items. So you can see that when I hover on it, let's say when I hover on cancel analytics, you can see share and star icon appear over here. So this quick actions has been appear on this hover option. The rest of the icons we can see when we click on this ellipsis icon, right? But this is really amazing thing. New colors and icons been introduced over here, like Microsoft switched to a lighter color theme and updated icon within the workspace based on the Microsoft Fluent design system. The look of this workspace is really very amazing and handy. Now let's say if you are feeling uncomfortable with this new look of this workspace and you want to revert back to the older look, how can you do that? Let me show you that thing. Go from here and turn on the older look. So just keep this option and you will be having your older look back over here. So this is really amazing feature. Hope you will try and enjoy this feature to your Power BI service tenant. Microsoft started to roll out this feature from 17th of April. So maybe if you haven't received this feature to your Power BI service tenant, maybe in next couple of days you will be receiving this update. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. Stay connected with me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and WhatsApp. If you wish to receive the daily notifications from my channel, just click on this link. This will be redirecting you to this form. Fill the form and you will be receiving the daily notification on your WhatsApp number. Stay connected with me. Have a great day. Goodbye.